Put your hands up! I will shoot you!
Making it clear. There we go.
He's shooting back.
What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future old man, here to break down another video. Using my law enforcement experience, I'm going to answer the question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So hopefully I can do that in today's video. Let's jump in. Today's video comes from police activity. Elderly man with active warrant exchange gunfire with state police officer. Here we go. Never seen it. Jumping in blindly.
Hello, sir. I'm also very much assisted police. We do the stop, sir. Is a registered owner of this vehicle probably has a warrant. You bought this from anyone recently? Do you have a driver's license on you then?
Real quick, some people might not be aware of why certain officers approach from the passenger side, and that's just simply a matter of preference. Some people will even approach from the driver's side initially and then switch it up the second go round and approach from the passenger side, especially on nighttime traffic stops, because it just keeps them guessing where you're coming from.
Are you from Arizona at all?
Always low prices.
Never ever? Do you have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? No weapons or anything on you right now?
I wish you could hear him better. I also wish he had a body camera. It's crazy to me that, that everything was dash cam and then body cams came out. Thank God, honestly. You can't refute video evidence, especially on a body-worn camera.
Alright, if you can't find it, can you just step out for me and we're gonna walk back to my unit, alright?
Keep in mind, this is when things usually escalate, when they're asked to step out of the vehicle.
Alright, if you can't find it, you just wanna walk back to your unit?
It's at the point when people... Oh, shit. It's at the point when people are asked to step out of the vehicle when they feel as though, oh, I think I might go to jail. I better do something crazy.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired.
I don't think this guy even shot, but he obviously... Yeah, so he pulled a gun. So hard to see.
Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. I didn't pull a gun on me, I need assistance.
Alright, so obviously, you gotta pursue the guy that just tried to... who just pulled a gun on you. He's an active threat as far as I'm concerned.
10-4, 10-4, he's going up a high winds road up to a property.
Probably his house, I would imagine. Lots of these dash cams For instance, the department I worked for, the dash cam that we had would tell us when lights were activated, when we would tap our brakes, when brakes were engaged, and our speeds. So then in pursuit review, the reviewer could see everything, all the details, as well as the video of the pursuit. Oh, there's the body cam. So where was the body cam before? He should be switching to a long gun.
Put your hands up!
Good commands.
Put your hands up! I will shoot you!
Making it clear. There we go.
He's shooting back. Shots fired, he's shooting. Put your hands up!
So, Caller 9, were you directed that last 29, sir?
That'll do it. You can see him slumped down right there.
He's down on the ground. Oh, possibly hit.
10-4 direct male down, possibly hit.
Put your hands up! Let me see your hands!
Still issuing verbal commands is important, because that will come up later. You have to make your presence known, is what I'm trying to say. You have to make your presence known so that they know you're a police officer and they, in court, can't claim a defense of, well, I thought it was someone trying to mug me. Sir, that's a lame excuse. Also, I don't think this guy's going to court.
Firearm is possibly in his left hand.
There it is. They should make sure to clear the vehicle as well. Make sure no one else is in there. And they still need to place him into handcuffs, because people can become zombies randomly. Okay, that's clear cut. Let's get into it. All right, some people might say, he was an old man. Did he really deserve that? Here's the deal. Here's what they taught in the academy and throughout numerous firearms trainings and things like that during my 6 years. Anyone with a weapon, it's not the weapon that kills you. It's the person that kills you. At the end of the day, if someone pulls a gun on you and you're a police officer, you are lawfully justified to eliminate the threat. At the point where they pull a firearm, they are a threat to your life. They are justified in shooting him. I think at the moment when he decided to pull the long gun, that was a matter of night and day difference. Shooting something with a handgun from that probably 40 yards like he was at, that's going to be difficult. And when you pull out the long rifle, you've got the scope, you've got more capabilities to stop the threat, essentially. For that reason, I give him an A. I think he did a good job issuing verbal commands and all the other reasons I stated. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.